So, do you think Rubik's Cube is so hard? When you solve one phase, you can't do anything else. You don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you the easiest method to solve this Rubik's Cube. So remember, you always can just go back and watch it again. So the first step is make a cross. You can use white cross or yellow cross, but today I'm gonna teach you with white cross. So there's two ways to do it. First one is doing a daisy, and then you match all the color and then go back. So of course I make this case. So now I scramble up, and you can see the white face is actually down here, and yellow face is right here, and there's a white piece, there's a white piece, there's a white piece, and the last one is right here. So this one you can put it up here like this, because the white face is like this, so you can do it like this. But the thing is, if you have like something like this, then if you put it up here, it doesn't match it. So what you're going to do is move it once and then turn it like this, and same thing here. So you use a non-white piece, so move once, and then because if you put like this, you move away this piece, so you move like this, so when you put it, you won't put away any white piece. So when you're doing correctly, you should be like this. And now you're going to merge the color here, and then move it down here. This if you put it down here, this color doesn't match. So you're going to move it like this, so you can match it, and then put it down. And here, this already matches, so put down, and the last piece here, so move down. Then you finish your first step, the cross. You should be like this. So the second step is finish the white face, but at the same time, you are going to match the color like this. And to do that, you need to learn two new algorithms. But don't think it's so hard, it's actually so easy. Okay, let me scramble it up and finish the daisy, and then solve the cross, and then the thing is, you need to find a piece, but you need to have a white color on it. So this corner have a white color on it, and then you need to check what is two color, what is the other two color. So it's blue and red, so blue and red, so it's supposed to go here. So the first algorithm is called left algorithm. So use your left hand, and then what you're going to do, you can use this algorithm, but you can actually just remember what to do instead. So white left side up, and then do like this, so it pairs up like this, and then put back down. That's your first algorithm. And the second algorithm you need to learn is right algorithm. So the opposite of left algorithm, it goes this. So you match the green and orange, so on top of it, and then do the right algorithm, so up, but this time instead of going to this way, it goes to this way because it's opposite, and then put it down, and then you got this corner. But you can't do this algorithm randomly, so if you put it here, so orange, blue, so it goes here. If you do right algorithm, it goes in the right slot, but not in the correct phase. So this, you put it on top of it, and then if it face left, then you do left algorithm. If it face right, and then you do right algorithm. So this, do left algorithm, like this. In this case, it's right algorithm, so do like this, because it's on the right side. But there's some special case, not only that two case. So example, this piece, this corner is here. So what you can do is actually do right algorithm or left algorithm. So I choose right algorithm. And then got this case. And this case is actually not the right slot, but it's like almost soft. So what you can do is do the same thing. Do right algorithm or left algorithm. So you take out this, and then you got this case. This the same thing. Just take it up, and then solve it. And then there's one last case where the white piece is on top. So what you can do is put it on top, and then do left algorithm or right algorithm, but something else. Okay, you will know what I mean in a second. So you do left algorithm, and then you can do like this. So reverse the second move, and then do that again, and then reverse the second move, and then do that again. But there's a tricks for that. So this case, you can actually do like this. Put it up, and then do a U2, so I is doing double move, and I put it down, and then you put this on top of it, and then solve it. So same on the right side, you can do like this, and then do double move, and then put this down, and then you can put it on top of it and solve. So if you do it right, you should be something like this. Ignore the edge piece, because this is the next step. You should be something like this. So the second step is the second layer. So you saw this edge piece, right? So this is soft. So you need something like this if you finish this step. So what you need to do is you need to do right algorithm and left algorithm. An example for this case, also red and blue. So see this color, red, so it match it with the center color, and then blue is on the left, so you do the opposite. You go to the right side, and then since blue is on the left side, you do left algorithm, and then move this so be on top of this, and then solve this right face using right algorithm. So you solve the corner piece and also solve the edge piece. So same thing on the right side. So this time it's also red color, so match it with the center color. And then so green is on the right side, so do the opposite, go to the left. So because green is on the right side, so do right algorithm. And then solve the corner piece using left algorithm because it is on the left side, like this. So there's some special case, something like this. So it's on the right slot, but not soft. So what you can do is take this out and then put it here, so you can still see the white color, but you still put the orange and the blue face in front of you. So what you can do now is put this down like this. So you do top move, you don't actually do anything to this piece. So what you need to do is put it right here in front of you, and then put this back here, and then now you can solve this corner like you just did on the second step. But remember, you always need to find a piece without yellow, so you can't do this, you can't do this, because if you do this, and it's not on the side, it's on top. So remember, find a piece without yellow. So also there's other special case like this. It's a piece without yellow, but it's not soft because it doesn't match this color. So what you can do is do the same thing for the second layer. So you say yellow piece, a edge piece with yellow, so do the same thing. So pretend this is orange, this is blue, so orange blue. So move it away and then put it out and then solve it. And then now you take out the piece. So you can now solve this. Match the color orange, so on the right side. So put it on the left side, do the right algorithm, and then do the left algorithm. But of course, I didn't do the corner, so always remember the corner is in the right slot. So if you do it correctly, it should be something like this. A whole second layer is finished. So left with the yellow face.